And a very good day, everybody. Good afternoon. It is Monday, September 22nd, 2025, 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. And indeed, it is another day of strikes. If you remember, we had the STM striking months ago, and we're back again to the same scenario. So basically, we have trains that are doing their final runs, or will be passing through here very soon doing their final runs. There's an MR73 here on the green line, and there is the last train going in the Lionel-Groulx direction, as you can see up there. And there's still some more trains going on down here in the Lionel-Groulx direction, but for Lionel-Groulx, this is the last train. And if you go over here on this side, this is the last train coming up now for the Montreal direction of the orange line. And in about 20 minutes, the last trains for the Côte 2 direction and Lionel-Groulx directions will be passing through. So hopefully we'll see some deadheading trains between now and then. So see what we can find today. All right, so there is set 33 going on the Montmorency direction. As I mentioned, that's the last train going in the Montmorency direction. Here's the last one in the Lionel-Groulx direction. And this one here is going in the Lionel-Groulx direction. All right, so there's the last train going in the Montmorency direction, as I just mentioned. It has now shown up. This is the last one going in the Lionel-Groulx direction. There's one down there going in the Lionel-Groulx direction. So we still have some more trains down here, as I mentioned, are going to go by. And in the Côte 2 direction, we have some more trains as well down there that are going to go by. But these two that you're seeing now, they're the last ones until later tonight. So if you want to know the details, I'll put it up on my video description. Basically, the metros between, this week and into next week. So this week and next week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of this week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday of next week. Metros and buses are only running during the morning rush hour, afternoon rush hour, and late at night, right before regular service closes at the regular time. We got the deadheadings coming now. Here we go. Deadheading train number 1. Yeah, man. There we go. Set 44. So despite what this says, this time is not accurate. That was the last train we saw earlier in the video. From now on, it's only deadheading trains, so enjoy the rest of the video. There's set 40. Just missed the horn. Gotta be a bit faster. last train going in the Angrion direction and the last train in service on the Green Line until later tonight when service will resume. And I think there should be one more coming for the Côte 2 direction. Still haven't seen any deadheading MR73s yet. So there's the last one for the Côte 2 direction. What set is that? So there's still set number 1. Set 1. And what set was this one we just saw? Looks a little obstructed, but anyways, that's about it, guys. So I don't know if I'm going to do a video like this every day of the strike. As I mentioned, for the next 2 weeks, each Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. I was hoping to get some MR73 trains on the Orange Line. Obviously, it's not going to happen. There's not really any reason why there would be. And when I say MR73s on the Orange Line, I don't mean deadheading, I mean in service. So these trains are leaving now. You can hear the door chimes. And that is it. What I may do is I'll make another video right as service starts later. Maybe we'll see some deadheading MR73s then, who knows. But that's it. The station is now closed until later tonight, so there you go. Part 2 of the STM strike has begun. Part 1 was later in, I think it was June if I remember. Yeah, it was around mid to late June. So that's it. Station's closed until later tonight. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. More videos to come. Remember, if you like what you see, hit like, subscribe, turn on your notification bells. More videos to come. Oh, wait, what is that? Oh, we got another deadheading train now. Let's finish up with the deadheading train there. Little bonus. Oh, where's the deadheading MR73? There is one. There's a deadheading Azure. So now all the deadheading trains from these lines will be going in their respective directions. Alright, there you have it. Thanks for watching.